With Travel for Teens on Spain Language Immersion and Discovery, you can learn and practice Spanish where it all started. There is no better way to discover this marvelous culture than through language immersion. After Spanish lessons taught by locals in the morning, you'll get to discover all the best of the country. From the beautiful coastal beaches to the inland capital of Madrid. Take in the great masterpieces of Barcelona. Venture into Basque country further north with visits to San Sebastián and Bilbao. For those of you continuing on, you will head south to Granada to explore the Alhambra and then experience more of the region of Andalusia in Nerja and Malaga. Still craving more? Well, on our 28-day option, you'll get to also spend time marveling at the architecture, enjoying the local specialties, and learning about the culture in Sevilla and Madrid. So vámonos! Make the most of your summer on one of our Spain language immersion and discovery trips.